Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best photo lights is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any content creator looking to elevate their visual storytelling, as the right lighting can transform a mediocre shot into a professional-grade masterpiece, dramatically impacting viewer engagement and the overall aesthetic of your videos and photographs. Number 5. LED Studio Streaming Lights Kit. Elevate your content with our versatile lighting kit. Create stunning visual effects using a variety of color filters and adjust brightness to perfectly match any scene. Experience abundant light with 70 energy-saving LED bulbs that minimize shadows. Enjoy accurate color rendering with a high CRI, ensuring your subjects look their best. This ultra-slim LED panel is designed for portability. Power it easily using any standard USB port, making it convenient for on-the-go creators. Set up your perfect lighting with the adjustable tripod stand, extending up to 52 inches. The 180 degrees rotating ball head allows you to precisely angle the light for any shot. From studio portraits to live streaming and vlogging, this kit is essential for all your creative projects. It's the perfect tool to enhance your photography and video work. Everything you need is included: LED panels, color filters, and adjustable tripod stands. We're here to support you with excellent customer service for any questions. What we like. This kit offers a wide array of color filters to create vibrant lighting effects. Its USB power makes it incredibly versatile, eliminating the need for bulky batteries. If you're looking for a flexible lighting solution for streaming, vlogging, or portrait shooting that's easy to power anywhere, this is a great choice. What people say. The light is very bright and has adjustable brightness settings. It comes with a variety of color temperature options, allowing for different lighting effects. The build quality is solid and it feels durable. Number 4. Datarm Rechargeable Soft Selfie Light. Surprise your loved ones with this stylish and practical light. It's perfect for anyone who loves taking photos, from teens on TikTok to professionals on YouTube. Let their creativity shine, safely and beautifully. Say goodbye to harsh glare. This light uses advanced technology to provide softer, more uniform illumination. It's designed to protect your eyes while still giving you great lighting. Customize your lighting with 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels. Easily match your skin tone and adapt to any situation, whether you're filming a video, recording, or taking a selfie. This light charges fully in just 3 hours and lasts between 4 to 14 hours. Enjoy taking selfies and recording anytime, anywhere, without worrying about running out of power. Designed for convenience, it clips securely to your device with a soft pad to protect your screen. With a 180 degrees adjustable angle, you can easily find the perfect shooting angle. This versatile light is compatible with phones, iPads, laptops, cameras, and tripods. It's the perfect accessory for all your photography and videography needs. What we like. Experience soft, eye-friendly lighting that eliminates harsh glare. The built-in rechargeable battery offers hours of use and charges via USB-C. If you're a mobile creator who needs portable, high-quality light for selfies, TikTok, or video calls on the go, this light is perfect for you. What people say. The light is very bright and has adjustable brightness levels. It comes with a variety of color temperature settings, allowing for different lighting effects. The build quality is solid and it feels durable. Number 3. NEEWER 20 Photo Studio Light Box. Illuminate your products with brilliant, adjustable light. This 20-inch light box features 80 LEDs and a convenient brightness control for the perfect shot every time. Achieve professional results with its reflective interior and diffusion cloth. It minimizes shadows and hot spots, ensuring a clean and evenly lit background. Capture your products from any perspective. It offers multiple shooting angles, including horizontal shooting with minimized reflections and a top opening for bird's-eye views. Easily switch up your scene with 4 included colored backdrops. Choose from black, white, gray, or orange to match your product and brand. Set up and pack up in seconds thanks to its simple hook and loop fasteners. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, so you can take it anywhere. This kit includes the light box, diffusion cloth, for backdrops, a power adapter, and a user manual for your convenience. What we like. Achieve professional product shots with this spacious light box that provides even, shadow-free illumination. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to set up and transport. If you're an e-commerce seller or product photographer who needs consistent, high-quality lighting for small to medium-sized products, this is an excellent option. What people say. The light is very bright and has adjustable brightness levels. It comes with a variety of color temperature settings, allowing for different lighting effects. The build quality is solid and it feels durable. Number 2. HXWEIYE 120 LED Photo Clip String Light. Introducing the HXWEIYE 120 LED Photo Clip String Light, a versatile and charming addition to your decor. This 40-foot light string features 120 warm white LEDs, perfect for illuminating your cherished memories. With 52 clear, reusable clips, you can easily hang your favorite photos, pictures, or artwork. These durable clips are designed to hold your precious memories, bringing warmth and nostalgia to any space. Get creative with the included 12 novel hooks. These non-trace hooks allow you to fix the lights on walls, ceilings, or any surface, enabling you to sketch unique patterns and create novelty lighting for any occasion. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this light string is waterproof. Its USB-powered design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for decks, camping trips, barbecues, or anywhere you need a touch of ambience. Control your lighting experience with the wireless remote. Choose from 8 different modes, set the convenient 6-hour timer, and adjust the brightness to create the perfect atmosphere for any mood or event. Whether it's for a bedroom, party, wedding, or holiday celebration, this fairy string light adds a magical touch. Its flexibility and features make it the ideal decor for any indoor or outdoor setting. What we like. This decorative string light set brings a warm ambience with 120 LEDs and includes 52 clips to showcase your favorite photos. It's waterproof and USB powered, making it versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. If you want to create a cozy, personalized atmosphere for parties, bedrooms, or special events, this is a charming and functional choice. What people say. The light is very bright and has adjustable brightness levels. It comes with a variety of color temperature settings, allowing for different lighting effects. The build quality is sturdy and it feels durable. Number 1. Arixinks 3-pack battery-operated picture light. Introducing the Arixinks 3-pack picture light, designed to beautifully showcase your wall art. This battery-operated light offers versatile illumination for any piece. Choose from 3 distinct lighting colors, warm, natural, or cool, to perfectly match your artwork and mood. You can also easily adjust the brightness from 10% to 100% to create the ideal ambience. Control your lighting with ease using the included remote or by simply tapping the light lens. Change colors, adjust brightness, or set the timer without leaving your seat. Conserve battery life with the built-in timer function. Set it to automatically turn off after 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes, ensuring your light is on only when needed. Installation is a breeze with the magnetic attachment and included screws. Changing the batteries is also simple, and with a runtime of up to 60 hours, it provides long-lasting brilliance. This versatile light is ideal for a wide range of applications, from living rooms and bedrooms to offices and galleries. It's perfect for highlighting paintings, posters, frames, and other decorative pieces of various sizes. What we like. Enhance your artwork with customizable lighting, offering 3 color temperatures and adjustable brightness. The convenient remote control includes a timer for automatic shut-off. If you need elegant accent lighting for paintings, posters, or wall art that's easy to control and install, this battery-operated set is ideal. What people say. The light is very bright and adjustable, making it easy to get the perfect lighting for any situation. The build quality is excellent, with sturdy materials that feel like they will last a long time. It comes with a variety of accessories, including different diffusers and stands, which adds great value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.